Welcome, this is a tutorial on how to dry brush your face for lifted skin and lymphatic drainage. You want to make sure you've got completely clean, dry skin, no makeup on, just give your skin a little wash first. Then starting to use the brush in little circular action around the collarbone area. We're starting to stimulate the lymph nodes. This is really important because we're going to be doing lots of lymphatic drainage today. You want to use really gentle pressure. I am using a very soft brush here. We're then going to go in the area underneath your ears. Again, little circular action here, stimulating those lymph nodes. Going to help to drain the toxins out the face, reduce puffiness and bloating in the face. Let's go down the lymph vessels now, down to the lymph nodes at the side of the neck. Nice light pressure here, making sure that you're going both sides. And we're going to slightly go down the back of your neck as well. You can see a little bit of redness has come up on my skin here, but I'm making sure that I don't go over any skin which feels irritated or broken. You really need to work to your own level with everything. We're then going to work upwards and outwards. This is where we're doing some very gentle lifting, still using very light touch here. That's so important. I just got this brush from Amazon. I got it quite a few years ago. I decided to go for the softest bristles that I can because I have quite sensitive skin, and as you can probably see on my face, I have lots of moles, so I just have to be really careful not to use anything too strong. Now I've gone over the cheekbones, I'm going to go underneath the eye area, a little bit gentler under this area. We're really working with draining the lymph here, so we're going to make sure we go back down the side of the neck again, so any puffiness or fluid under the eyes can be drained out through those vessels down to those lymph nodes around the ear area and around the collarbone or clavicle. So I'm doing the other side and then going down the other side of the neck. I'm breathing deeply all the time here. That's really important to help with lymphatic drainage. Now we're working up between the eyebrows, just helping to lift the skin, soften any lines in this area, then moving outwards. Nice and gently moving across one side of the forehead, out towards the hairline. Then you're going to the other side. Keep breathing deeply here. And again, just avoid any areas which might be sensitive. Definitely never use the brush on wounds or on broken skin. So going back down the neck here. And we're going to go underneath the eyes again. So just working again, we're reducing any puffiness, any fluids in this area. Such a gentle touch. Remember, the lymphatic system is just under the skin surface, so you really don't want to go hard here. So along the cheekbone area, going right out to the hairline as you do this. Now going along the top of the jaw area towards the ears. This is having that gentle lifting in this area, but we're also going to be working again in a minute with that lymphatic drainage, working down the side of the neck. But we're just going to go underneath the jaw for now, just working both sides. You can see a little bit of brightness, a little bit of redness come up into my skin here. Back down the side of the neck there, just behind the ears, slightly down to your collarbone. And then we're doing that little circular action on the lymph nodes underneath the ears again, just to help that lymphatic drainage. Then we're just going to go out on the chest. Just very quickly here, you can take much longer, we're doing quite quickly for the video, and then we're just going to go all the way around the collarbone with those little circular actions there. Now you want to make sure you wash your face completely, and then you apply something like your moisturizing serum, and then you want to wash your brush as well. Have a lovely day.